Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for selecting this video. And as you know, it's already February, so we already are starting to see how those boxes are coming together for Boxycharm for the month of February. I wasn't able to do this on camera, but I really didn't want to hold on any longer because I want to give and share this information with you guys. So sorry that it's just going to be on a voiceover. So as you know, it's Boxycharm February, and on this video, I'm going to share 4 different full box reveal. And as you know, we are already on February, so the theme for Boxycharm is Boxycharm Adore or Adore. So once you receive your box, you could just create a hashtag BoxyAdore, and so that way we're able to see everybody's box for February. But also, this is something that I've been doing on my Instagram, Boxy Box Sneak. And I'd always like to give a shout out and let everybody know that they're appreciated on their birthday month. So if this is your birthday month for February, you could let us know on the comment section, or also on Boxy Box Sneak. You're going to be seeing this same picture, and just give you a shout out for your birthday month. So happy birthday if it is your birthday month. So as you know, we were able to select 4 different products was our choice item. And one of those choices was the iconic London palette. So the full box reveal, at least the first 3 are going to be for the iconic London. So if you selected this palette as your choice item, hopefully you was able to select your product. This is going to be the first 3. And the last full box review is going to be for the Kate Somerville, the peptide serum. So if you selected this palette, as you see, it's going to be the first product that's going to be on this first full box review. The second item that I did give you a heads up was between the sponges or the brush. So in this case, we see that the brush set from Alamar Cosmetics is going to be part of this box. So far you have the palette and you have the brushes in this box, but we also have something that we were not expecting. At least I didn't even know it was an item. So that will be the Amica. This is the Amica Supernova. I did see on the video that is the 3.3 ounce, and this is a leave-in cream hydration. It's going to help hydrate your hair. So far we have the Amica and the brush and the palette. So the other 2 products are the Pretty Vulgar Mascara. That one, the Pretty Vulgar Mascara, retails for about $23. This is going to give you volume, and it's flake free and smudge proof. And the other product next to it, well, actually on the top, is the 4-in-1. This is from Pure Cosmetics. This is a correcting primer, and this primer has probiotics, it has aloe, it has caffeine, and it has coconut water. And this is a beauty tonic, so it has 4-in-1 as a primer. So guys, this is the first box reveal. So now I'm going to show you another variation. The second variation is going to have almost the same products that I mentioned, the palette, the brushes, and the mascara, but we are going to take a turn around, and you're going to be seeing this product. This is a Ciate London. This is a setting powder, and this is a translucent powder. The price for this powder retails for about $23. So this is going to be the item that you're going to be seeing as the other variation on the second box, the full box reveal. So I'm going to show you exactly what's going to be coming on this box. You will see the iconic palette, the brushes, the 4-in-1 primer, the mascara, and that setting powder, that translucent powder. So basically on this one is everything that you probably need to complete your makeup routine, from the primer, from the brushes, the mascara, the powder, and the palette. So far, as you see, the difference between this variation is the Amica, the leave-in cream, and instead this one has the setting powder. So now let's go to the third variation, the third full box reveal. This is a lipstick. This is, I believe, from Queen, and it's not a set. It's just that I couldn't get so many pictures to show you exactly the lipstick, but this lipstick retails for $17, and what I was able to get, or the information I was able to see, this is a matte lip satin, and based on the pictures that I've seen on the shades, they are very pretty. I love a matte lipstick. So this one is going to be one of those products that are going to be on this variation. So Once again, the third full box reveal is very similar to the first, second, or third. The only thing that's changing on this one, instead of the getting the 4-in-1 primer, instead this will include that satin, that matte lip satin lipstick that you see in this box. It does include the same thing, from the iconic London palette to the brushes, the mascara, and the translucent powder. So far guys, let me know what you think of all these three full box reveal. All these three are including the iconic London. So if you have selected the palette, then this is what we have seen so far. That might be the variation, or it might be one of the boxes you may receive. So now let's move on to a different full box reveal. This one is going to be just for the ones that selected the K Somerville the peptide serum, and for that we only have one variation so far. So guys, this variation is very interesting because there's products here I have not seen. So like I mentioned, it's a variation. This one is starting with the Kate Somerville peptide serum. If this is the product you selected, this one was one of the products that I wanted to buy on the add-on store, and once I went to do that, they were already sold out. So what I did was I subscribed to another one box, so then I was able to get this item. So maybe this might be a box I might get. So far we know this is the bio mimicking peptide serum. So the next product was an interesting one. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is a facial radiance pad, and these pads come in two different sizes. It comes for enough for you to use for 1 month, which includes 28 pads, and this is the size that we see in the picture. This one has lactic acid and glycolic acid. I love that it has those acids. That's one of the acids that I actually have separate, which I do at night, but these are pads. So this sounds like a very interesting product to get. The second product, which I also see, this is mostly like skincare so far. This is, I think it's called Evio Skin. These are refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. When I saw the reviews, a lot of people like these wipes. I'm not a fan of wipes, so hopefully this is not a product that I will get. This one, I see the price that does retail from $10 to $14 depending on the quantity that it brings, and these will help remove even waterproof makeup. So far this is the fourth full box reveal. Those products that I just shared, which are new, which are the wipes, the pads, and the serum, but also it would continue to include the Alamar Cosmetics brushes and the Ciate London translucent powder. So far I have not seen any full box reveal for the sponges. I would like to get those those are the sponges from Luxy Beauty. It's also a set of 3, and as you've seen, I brought to you guys 4 different box reveal, and it does include in all of them the brushes, which I am kind of like surprised about. So also, if you're new to Boxycharm and you would like to subscribe, I'm going to include a code so that way you're able to get a free product. This free product, you're able to choose one or the other. So there's 2 different codes, and you can select these codes, so that way you're able to get a free item with your first Boxycharm box. So guys, this is what I have so far. If you have any questions, and if this is your birthday month, once again I want to wish you happy birthday on the month of February if you're celebrating this month. And thank you for your support and for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.